Asuntosykeyhtiö Säästö Martti.
Yeah, today is the 27th of October 2022 and we have Iivisniemenkatu. Iivisniemenkatu was it two stakes. This is the first stake is in this residential building. We started from the last one, G, but we have to do it in this order now. But we'll go to the staircases B, C, D and E soon.
Yeah.
Yes, and it was built in 1969. Late 1969 as the building 4 was finished in the beginning of 1970. It's in Iivisniemi, Kaitaa, Espoo. Espoo in the Alski-Espoo region, Uusimaa and Finland. But the metro station opening on the 3rd of December should have been also named Iivisniemi.
Yeah.
We're 50 years old in 2019. December station 17234. It's going to be expected in 2024. But that has just one side actually.
Yeah.
I filmed this stake C in 2019,
Yeah.
so I don't need to film it again, but
Yeah.
all the rest we are filming now.
Isso, para aqui mais, portanto, metem para isso.
I changed the positions of the numbers.
Yeah.
The original.
That's